Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Foundation. Better than the powder? I'm going to test them both. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications. Thanks so much. Well, every 2 days, I've done a complete Bare Minerals test. First time, I used the original powder along with the primer and the Mineral Veil setting powder. The second day, I used this foundation, same primer, same setting powder. Which did I prefer? How did they both hold up? I'll let you know. Good morning, beautiful people. You know, about 12 years ago, I bought a Bare Minerals kit, and I used it fairly regularly for a while. Then I just moved on, discovered other brands, and I haven't really tried it in over 10 years. So when I saw this new foundation, Original Liquid Mineral Foundation, I saw this in Ulta a couple of months ago. I decided I wanted to try it. And then I also saw this I Am an Original Get Started kit. So I thought I would try this too and just compare the original powder foundation that I had previously used and the new liquid mineral foundation, and see how they work on my mature skin. My skin is relatively dry, so I'm going to do a test using both. Today I'm using the original powder foundation. I bought this in the color Fairly Light, and this is the foundation. They give you this little brush, which I will try. I also have my own brush, which I think I'm probably going to wind up using. This kit comes with the Bare Minerals primer, so I'm going to start by using that and priming my face. And it is sort of a gel primer. And let's just put that on. This really feels very, very silky. Now, I did already put on some serums and sunscreen, as well as I exfoliated using the Ordinary Glycolic Toner. So my skin was prepped prior to doing this. It does have a nice satiny smooth finish, but let this dry for a few seconds, and then I'm going to start with the powder. Okay, I let the primer sit for a minute, and now I'm going to try with the powder. So taking this brush, I'm just going to sort of press it in all along my face. Yeah, I've been using mostly liquid foundations for the past decade or so this is a little bit different. Actually, the way this brush is shaped, it's a little bit small, but it is working well with this type of powder. So I'll continue to use that. Get some off the edge. Okay, now I'm going off camera for a minute. I'm going to do my eyes and my cheeks, and I'll be right back and top this off with the Mineral Veil. Okay, did a little makeup on my eyes, cheeks, lips. Now I'm going to set it all with this Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. Okay, I've got some in here, and I'm just using my regular powder brush for this, and just dusting over everything. Getting the neck. All right, that's my look for today, using the Bare Minerals Original Powder as my foundation. And I'm going to go on with my day. I'm going outdoors. I'm going to have a mask on when I go inside. I'm going to be out in the wind and the air a little bit. Today I am using the Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Foundation. This was just introduced a few months ago. So I'm going to start off with the Bare Minerals Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. Like I said, this is a nice gel gripping primer and very, very satiny to the touch. You can definitely detect like a silicone texture in this primer. And so let it dry for a minute. And this foundation has titanium dioxide, which gives it a broad spectrum SPF 20. I did use a sunscreen prior to this as well. Okay, a little bit and just tap it on my face. I'm going to just try the blender. It goes on very, very smooth, especially over this primer. I think I want a little bit more coverage with this, so another little pop here. Okay, I'm going off camera to do the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back and set with powder. Okay, the rest of my makeup is done. Eyes, cheeks, lips. I'm going to set it all with this Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. I'm just using my regular setting powder brush, and let's not want to get too much, and just go over everything. I definitely like the feel of this Bare Minerals Liquid Mineral Foundation, and I'm loving this primer as well. And with the setting powder, I just want to see how it holds out during the day. Hello, it's been about 5 hours since I put on this foundation, and it still feels fresh. Now when I used the powder, that lasted pretty well as well. Both of them are pretty good. I kind of realized why I liked Bare Minerals back 10, 12 years ago. Overall, I like both. I do think my preference is the original Liquid Mineral Foundation. Again, they call it original, but it is a newer product. So the Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Foundation, as well as the powder foundation and the mineral veil and the primer, all get the thumbs up. Hey, do you have a favorite brand or something you'd like for me to try? If so, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.